Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to Linda's Cooking Creation. First off, I want to thank everyone that actually has been making suggestions for my channel. I appreciate it. If you want to make more suggestions, you can always comment below to see what you'd like to see next. Thank you again, and please like, subscribe, and share. Now, stay tuned for the video. Thank you. Welcome to Linda's Cooking Creations. My name is Linda. Today I will be doing a Jello cake. I'll be decorating differently than the original recipe. I did not create the Jello cake recipe. Jello company created the Jello recipe. So, it's their recipe. The company that owns Jello is Kraft Heinz. So there's a disclaimer on this video that I did not create the original recipe. I'm just duplicating. First of all, you're going to need Jello, which I got the strawberry kind. I'm going to decorate it with strawberries, Cool Whip, and I'm using a cake mix. Stay tuned for the video. The first step in making a Jello cake is to make either a white cake or yellow cake according to the directions on the box. Today I'm using French vanilla. I will be back when the cake's done. While I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, I want you to remember to either spray your pan with cooking spray like Pam or line it with wax paper. And when the cake is done, you stick it with a wooden toothpick. When it comes out clean, it's done. Or if you have a bamboo skewer, you know, the wood ones, you can use that too. This is what the cake looks when it's done. Now, I will be poking the holes in the cake. Be back in a minute. That is what the cake looks after you put the holes in it. Now all you got to do is mix up your Jello. I'm using a 3-ounce package. And just make it according to the directions. Then you go and just pour it over the cake. And make sure you get it in the holes. I'll be back when I'm about ready to pour it over the cake so you can see. That is what it looks like after I get all the Jello on it. You just want to make sure you get everything in the holes. Now, I'll refrigerate it until it sets up, then you top it with Cool Whip and the berries. Now I'm going to be frosting the cake with Cool Whip. Now if I don't have enough, I have another container of Cool Whip in the fridge. So I'm just going to take it and dump it on the cake. I use the whole container. That way it's nice and creamy. Now if you want to mix it with cream cheese, to have cream cheese frosting, you can. And here's another recipe for you. Since we used Jello on this one, if you want to do another cake like this, you can actually do another poke cake. Instead of the Jello, use pudding. But the only thing is, you got to use the handle of a wooden spoon. I'll show you the wooden spoon after I get done with this. It's just a round handle one, because you don't want too big of a hole. But the handle of a wooden spoon works good. You can use any type of instant pudding that you like. Let's suppose you like pistachio. You can make what I call a pudding cake. And yes, Jello created the pudding cake too. Same concept, except you use instant pudding instead of Jello. Gelatin. And then you just frost the cake. I'll be back once it's frosted. This is a wooden spoon that I was telling you guys about. You use that to make the pudding cakes with instant pudding. Now since it's frosted, you see how I decorate the cake. Now, to tell how far apart to place them, I'm going to have at least 2 flowers on a cake. Maybe 3. You put those like there, and then all you do is put them like that. I'm showing you how to make one flour. That's how you make a strawberry flour. I'll be back after I get the flowers on it. That is what the cake looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.